Racing just is started. We have fireworks break quickly at the start. Dancing Rags may dating down on the inside is absolute rushing for the outside. Mr. Slim King Rick comes next while is Marty Ryan is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, Dancing Rags Fireworks is running by the rail. A length and a half further back in third comes my dating. Absolute is down on the inside. Mr. Slim King Break while Smarty Ryan is still running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they traveled. We have fireworks moving up now on the outside is Dancing Rags. Then comes my dating Mr. Slim Absolute comes next is Marty Ryan while King Rick now running at the tail of the field. Another far turn we have fireworks by about half length. Dancing Rags and on the outside my dating Absolute is down on the inside. Mr. Slim is Marty Ryan while King Rick now running at the tail of the field, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have fireworks by about 2 lengths, and in second Dancing Rags Absolute now moving up on the outside with about 150 meters more to run. Fireworks Absolute now moving up on the outside. It's now Absolute followed by Fireworks Marty Ryan, and finally Absolute Fireworks Marty Ryan. Dancing Rags, then comes Mr. Slim, May Dating, and King Rick.
Alam mo yung angat. At saka yung worry nga natin, nasa uno siya, nasa post position. Kaya medyo hirap eh. Kita mo, wala siya